Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Today's topic is top BDS colleges in India. Before starting the video, I would like to say that top colleges have been selected based on the students' ranking. If you think the name of any other college should be added to these, you can let us know. Bachelor of Design or B.DES is a bachelor's degree. The course duration of BDES is 4 years, which focuses only on designing. BDES graduates help in designing infrastructure, graphics, websites, games, fashion, and many more. BDES students also get trained in design tools such as AutoCAD that helps them to design complex structures easily without any errors on desktop. Students who have completed their 12th in any subjects are eligible to join the Bachelor of Designing course. BDES is a very important stream, and those who get a degree in BDES get a chance to work in different sectors. There are some multinational companies who pay a lot more than one can expect for those designers who are eligible. Few companies who recruit designers are Calvin Klein, Nintendo, Marvel Studios, and many others. Colleges in India offering BDES course are very less. BDES colleges provide much required exposure for the students relating to designing, hence the college fees are higher. The average course fees for BDES is 2.2 lakh to 7 lakh per annum. BDES graduates are a very important part of society because of their contribution to designing in many sectors. BDES average salary in India is 5 lakh per annum. Details about the colleges are given in our other video. You will get the link in the description box. Let's get started. At first, we have the National Institute of Fashion Technology in Delhi. It was established in the year 1986 and it is a government or public college. It is also known as NIFT. Accepted exam is NIFT entrance exam. Popular courses are certificate and BDES. Total courses are 31 courses across 5 streams. Next at number 2 we have the IIT Bombay or the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. It was established in the year 1958 and it is situated in Mumbai. Accepted exam is CEED. Popular courses are certificate and BDES. Total courses are 79 courses in 5 streams and 30 specializations. Next at number 3 we have ARC College of Design and Business. This private college is situated in Jaipur and was established in the year 2000. Accepted exam is AIEET. Popular courses are BDES and BVOC. Total courses are 29 courses across 6 streams. Next at number 4 we have NID Ahmedabad or the National Institute of Design Ahmedabad. It was established in the year 1961. It is a government or public college situated in Ahmedabad. Accepted exam is NIT entrance exam and popular courses are BDES and MDES. Total courses are 15 courses across 2 streams. At number 5, we have National Institute of Fashion and Technology in Mumbai. This college was established in the year 1995. This government or public college is situated in Navi Mumbai. Accepted exam is NIFT entrance exam and popular courses are certificate and BDES. Total courses are 26 courses across 2 streams. At next we have the Pearl Academy Mumbai in number 6. It was established in the year 2014. This private college is situated in Mumbai. Accepted exams are NIT entrance exam and Pearl Academy entrance exam. Total courses are 46 courses across 7 streams. Next at number 7 we have the Symbiosis Institute of Design in Pune. This is a private college situated in Pune and it is also known as SID. Accepted exam is SEED and popular course is BDES. Total courses are 4 courses across only one stream. At next we have the National Institute of Fashion Technology in Hyderabad in number 8. It was established in the year 1999. This government or public college is situated in Hyderabad and is also known as NIFT. Accepted exam is NIFT entrance exam and popular courses are BDES and MFM. Total courses are 13 courses across only one stream. Next at number 9 we have the NID Vijayawada or the National Institute of Design in Andhra Pradesh. Also known as NIDV, this college was established in the year 2015. This government or public college is situated in Vijayawada. Accepted exam is the NID entrance exam and popular course is UG Diploma. It offers only one course across only one stream. At number 10 we have the NID Gandhinagar or the National Institute of Design Gandhinagar. It was established in the year 2004. Also known as NIDG, this government or public college is situated in Gandhinagar. Accepted exam is NID entrance exam and popular course is MDES. Total courses are 7 courses across 3 streams. Next at number 11 we have the Amity School of Fashion and Technology in Noida. Also known as ASFT, this private institute is situated in Noida. Popular courses are BDES and MBA or PGDM and total courses are 9 courses across 2 streams. At number 12 we have the International School of Design in Kolkata. This private institute is situated in Kolkata. It is also known as INSD and popular courses are BDES and After 10th Diploma. Total courses are 26 courses across 4 streams. At number 13, we have the Lovely Professional University in Punjab. It was established in the year 2005. This private institute, also known as LPU, is situated in Jalandhar, Punjab. This college offers 380 courses in 19 streams and 94 specializations. Next at number 14, we have the National Institute of Fashion and Technology in Bangalore. It was established in the year 1986. This public or government college is situated in Bangalore. Also known as NIFT, the accepted exam of this college is NIFT entrance exam and popular courses are certificate and BDES. Total courses are 24 courses across 2 streams. At last, we have the International School of Design in Pune at number 15. It is also known as INSD. This is a private institute situated in Pune. Popular courses are BDES and BSc. Total courses are 43 courses across 5 streams. So if you want to get more information about the top BDES colleges in India, make sure to stay tuned to our channel. Friends, recently we launched our study app. In the app, you will get college information, career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions, and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will also get the app download link in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. So that's all for now. I'll be back with another educational video. Till then, goodbye.